Welcome to Born Cottage, the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. In this video, I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet, 2 containers. The total area I have taken is the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the width is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter. In the front we have outdoor sitting area here 3 feet wide in meter 0.91 meter wide. We have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area here. You can see here the sofa arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall, and we have a kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and also dining counter with 2 chairs and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. If we go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and also a study table with 2 chairs and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. After that we'll go inside. So we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.